Hey, quick update. So as you can see on screen here, the C++ update, as shown on the New Year stream as well, is out on GitHub, which includes the new patch panel utility, which now has both unique and uniform patch modes. So that's all validated to work from 4.25 through now to 4.26.1 with separate Git branches for those two major versions. 4.26.1 was supposed to have a fix for on-fixture patch received being made public in the C++ API, which it has not. And which I was hoping and expecting would be the case. And so 4.26.1 also took a bit longer to come out as well. So my attempt at trying to coordinate a release with 4.26.1 did not work. But just sort of to recap what I had in the stream, we've got the FR1s here with the larger cluster on the left of them being the C++ ones, and then the cluster on the right is of 3 is the older blueprint implementation, which is still in there. And then sort of as well as part of being on 4.26, we do have the new very over-the-top and very bright sample Sharpies that now have a much more expensive remarched beam, which can be useful for some certain use cases, and it's very pretty. But especially on weaker hardware like a GTX 970 here, that is pretty rough in terms of performance here. So I definitely like having some stuff that's a little more scalable, so that's why I'm kind of sticking with the 4.25 original tech art that I have ported over to 4.26 now. Also, kind of separately, my work has been a bit inconsistent and required a lot of extra attention lately. And I do also have a couple of stream gigs coming up, which should actually be using Unreal Virtual Production, so those should help influence some feature updates and fixture additions relatively soon. I have more to say on that in a bit as I get going on it. I'm not going to say too much right now. Life stability in general is definitely still lacking, which of course affects progress in general. But battle testing the library itself myself on some gigs should help pinpoint areas that need more attention. That's about all I have for now. I have more in the pipe, as always, and I also want to get going on VJV3 stuff pretty soon here, but there's some other things that need attention first, including the library especially, so I'll get to stuff when I get to stuff, but yeah, there's movement, and I've got some I've got some things in mind to add to the library fairly shortly in the next coming little bit here, so anyway, yeah, thanks for watching and all that fun stuff, and have a nice day.